Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to discuss about nested lambda. Okay, lambda within lambda declaration is called a nested lambda. So how could I declare lambda within the lambda? Let's see. Suppose there is a list item. Okay, suppose there is a one expression or statement like add. Okay, add equal to lambda b. Okay, let's say a equal to 9, comma lambda b equal to 4, comma lambda. Okay, so you can write here, that's also column lambda b equal to 4. Okay, means there is going to be written as a lambda equal to lambda a equal to 9, column lambda b equal to 4, then column lambda c equal to a plus b plus c, then print within bracket r and passing 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, column, fine. Okay, you can run now. There is an error coming out, lambda a b c. So here I am going to comma. Okay, okay, bus, that's the point. R equal to lambda a equal to 9, b equal to 4, colon lambda c. Here nested means there is a 2 or more lambda you can arrange, but here I am giving nested means there is a 2 lambda. Okay, so here I am passing. Now I am going to run it. That is also written the 2 arguments, but here I am passing as a 3. Okay, so there is passing as a 3. So how could it be possible? You can do like this way: f equal to r. Okay, f equal to r, and inside that f you can pass as a 3. Okay, so but here already 2 is declared, only one item is going to be passed, that's a 15. Okay, so in this way you can handle nested lambda. R equal to lambda a 9 b 4, then lambda c equal colon a plus b plus c. Then another area. Okay, within that area, lambda base equal to 2, comma height equal to 4. Okay, understood. Then column lambda 0.5, column. Okay, column, then you have to declare 0.5 into base into height. Okay, so here you have to not declare any constant, you have to passing the c, and here c is the constant. How could we solve this issue? By solve this problem, then there is a define as f area, and after that print f within bracket. Here you have to define as a c. C means 0.5. Now you can run it and see there is a 4. Okay, there is a 4. 0.5 means 0.5, there is a 4 8. Okay, 2 and 4 8, 8 5, that's a 0.4.0. Okay, so in this way you can declare the lambda as a nested lambda. Okay, Understood? If you have any doubt, go through the comment box and type there, and also join my WhatsApp group. And if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me. Thank you.